MicroVision Space Coin was launched and listed in April 2023. Ever since it launched, the MicroVision crypto has been on a massive pump. It has been pumping every day despite the global crypto market being kinda in a down and volatile phase. The pump of MicroVision is so massive that it went from $7 to $14, which is 100%, in just 7 days. This means that if you had invested $5,000 in MicroVision coin a few weeks ago, you would have $10,000 in net profit today. This is crazy, right? With this, investors want to know more about MicroVision coin as they ask questions like, Trader Nay, what is the MicroVision? What problem does MicroVision solve in the cryptocurrency space? Is MicroVision a great investment in 2023? What is your opinion and suggestions in buying MicroVision coin at the moment? Investors still go on asking for the price prediction of MicroVision and reasons for that. If you are also curious about any of this, sit back, grab a popcorn, and watch this video to the end because I will be touching all these aspects of questions. But before getting into the discussion, I'm Trader Nay, a crypto enthusiast and investor. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say about coins I talk about are from my researches and opinions. So when investing in any coin I recommend, kindly do a little more research to be on the safer side and do not forget to invest wisely. Also, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, so this video could reach more people. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. Firstly, why was MicroVision built? According to its white paper, after 14 years of development, blockchain technology has shown its unique technical advantages and the potential to change the society. However, the scaling problem has always been the major showstopper in the blockchain industry. Scalability issues also bring a series of problems, such as high fees, low performance, and limited application scenarios to the existing blockchain. With the development of technology and people's expectation for the future metaverse, people need a new blockchain that can fundamentally solve this problem and can support numerous Web3 applications in the future. MicroVisionChain is the revolutionary blockchain that was born for Web3 with unlimited scalability. In today's world, there are 3 major problems in the blockchain development, which are filled circle scaling. The main problem of today's blockchain is scaling, prohibiting blockchain technology from being widely utilized by billions of users. It is also the main obstacle to the vast adoption of blockchain technology for society, causing the poor performance of most Web3 applications. Filled circle high transaction fees. The transaction fee of traditional blockchains is generally high, which is a derivative problem of scaling. Some blockchain claim to be able to reduce the fees, but often at the expense of anti-decentralization. The high fees had built a gap between blockchain applications and massive user adoption. Filled circle cross-chain storage to solve the high fees, low performance, and scaling problems in today's blockchain, cross-chain storage solutions are proposed. However, cross-chain causes explicit concerns like poor security and data isolation, leading to poor experience in usage and high development costs. Against these problems, MicroVision tends to use these features to solve blockchain problems. These features are 1. High-level decentralization. MicroVision adopts the same proof-of-work consensus solution and the same SHA-256 mining algorithm as Bitcoin to ensure that MicroVision is open, permissionless, and decentralized. Decentralization is the foundation of all blockchain technology that provides the health and scalability of the system. It is also the boost of fair competition to bring the entire system continuously vibrant. 2. High performance. MicroVision has upgraded the transaction format of the UTXO model to create a high-performance parallel computing supernode to ensure 1 million TPS. With an optimized UTXO model that enables high concurrency of transaction confirmation, MicroVision will be the first scaling blockchain used by global users. 3. Layer 1 UTXO-based smart contract. MicroVision is the first blockchain to support Layer 1 Turing-completed smart contracts based on the UTXO model. It can achieve the full logic of the Ethereum virtual machine but with high performance and extremely low transaction fees, thanks to the advantages of the UTXO model. 4. Built-in distributed identity protocol. The team invented the MetaID, which is a distributed identity protocol under the UTXO model to empower discrete UTXO models with the advantages of the account model and high concurrency. Each piece of data links to a specific user. Users can truly own and meanwhile interoperate their data between apps. MetaID builds the foundation for high-performance Web3 applications with simplified procedures and lower costs. Talking about MetaID, it is the first Layer 1 decentralized ID implemented in a UTXO public blockchain. DID solution is a vital underlying protocol for Web3 applications. Only through decentralized ID can the complexity and cost of developing Web3 applications on MicroVision be remarkably reduced, which is the prerequisite of a large-scale popularization for Web3 applications. MetaID is a distributed identity protocol based on blockchain that aims to facilitate the development of Web3 applications. It is a cross-chain unified identity protocol realizing data interoperability between applications. MetaID has the following features, which are: filled circle users can use all MetaID-based applications with only one private key. Filled circle the user's basic information and the transaction data are recorded on the nodes and owned by themselves. Users' data is independent of the wallets and applications, breaking the data monopoly in Web 2. Filled circle MetaID converges discrete UTXO transactions to a vertex. All Web 3 data are allocated to specific users according to their actions. Users own their data this time. Filled circle the data between different applications can be interoperable and reused, eliminating the information barriers between Web 2 megacorporations. Filled circle the data of different protocols can be combined with each other and reused with MetaID. Therefore, the workload of Web 3 application development is significantly reduced. Filled circle MetaID can be deployed in multiple UTXO model blockchains. User data is distributed in multiple blockchains and converges into a unified tree structure dataset. Finally, Web 3 is the next generation of blockchain-based internet that satisfies everyone's expectations for the metaverse. It is the prerequisite of metaverse and will be successful only if it can be used by massive users simultaneously, efficiently, and economically. Undoubtedly, the underlying public blockchain must be top-performing to meet the various needs. In addition to the high performance, built-in DID, and Layer 1 smart contract, MVC is equipped with the following features that satisfy billions of potential users. 1. Proof of work consensus and UTXO data model. 2. Unlimited scaling. 3. Fee decrease mechanism with the growth of users. 4. Zero confirmation of transactions. 5. Unity of data storage, smart contract execution, and transaction in one chain. 6. New Meta TXID solution that solves the tracking problem of the UTXO model. 7. Built-in distributed identity protocol MetaID. 8. Layer 1 smart contract MetaContract. At the moment on the CoinMarketCap, MicroVision Spacecoin is trading at $14. With a market capitalization of $200 million, which is not verified, a fully diluted market cap of $295 million, which is up by 39%, and a 24-hour trading volume of $1 million, which is down by 60.63%. First of all, you can tell how massive the MicroVision is pumping with its current price. Secondly, for those asking if the MicroVision Space Coin is a good investment, I would say an absolutely yes. This is solely because of the hardworking team on this MicroVision project. Buying MicroVision now can set you up for life. It's new, it's got an active team, supporters, and it is undervalued. With a market capitalization of just $200 million, you should know that there is still more room for growth in this project. If you want to get MicroVision Space Coin for a discount, then wait for the market to retrace a little before buying this market. If you don't want to wait, then buy the coin now because I am pretty sure that MicroVision will stand the test of time. My price prediction for MicroVision Space Coin is $50 before the year ends. This will be the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and invest wisely. Thanks.